Hello friends, welcome back to Kubo English Vocabulary channel where we will learn new and exciting words. I am Shivank Maurya and today we are going to talk about something super cool and healthy, and that is millets. So, what is millets? Millets are tiny seeds that are packed with nutrition and are super healthy for us. They are a type of grain just like rice or wheat, but they are smaller and come in different colors and shapes. People all around the world eat millets and they have been doing so for thousands of years. Did you know there are many types of millets? Let's learn about 10 different types of millets that you might come across. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Pearl Millet. Pearl Millet is one of the most common types of millet. It has a round shape and can be used to make yummy porridge or bread. Number 2. Finger Millet. Next is Finger Millet. This one is also called ragi in some places. It looks like tiny fingers and is great for making delicious cookies and pancakes. Number 3 is Foxtail Millet. It is named this way because it looks like the tail of a fox. People often cook it as a fluffy side dish just like rice. Number 4 is Proso Millet. This millet is small and round and cooks quickly. It's perfect for making quick and healthy meals. Number 5 is Barnyard Millet. This millet is super tiny and very nutritious. You can use it to make tasty salads and soups. Number 6 is Kodo Millet. It's a little bigger than other millets and is great for making traditional dishes like pulao or khichdi. Number 7 is Buckwheat. It is also known as Kubo in India, which is one of the most common types of millet. Buckwheat can be cooked like rice or quinoa, or it can be ground into flour and used in baking. Number 8 is Browntop Millet. It has a brownish color and is often used in making bread and cakes. Number 9 is Sorghum, also known as jowar. It can be popped like popcorn or ground into flour to make roti, a type of bread. Number 10 is Teff. Teff is tiny but mighty. It's packed with nutrients and is used to make delicious pancakes and bread. Wow! We've learned about 10 different types of millet today. Aren't they amazing? Millets are not only tasty but also very good for our health. So the next time you see millets, you can tell everyone all about them. Thank you for watching this channel. Please subscribe and like to my channel to get more updates and videos.